Welcome back, dear students. This is Ramana sir, Physics. How are you all? NEET 2023 UG. The paper discussion is going on. In part 1, we finished half of the physics topics. Remaining half we'll discuss in this class. Okay. Here, first half till 25 questions in part 1 we finished. Detailedly we discussed along with the solutions. If any missed that class, please you can go through the description. In description I given the part 1. Okay, so let's start part 2. The 26th question onwards will start. The next 26th one you can check on screen. The angular acceleration of a body moving along the circumference of a circle is. This is completely theory type question. In this, 4 options are given. First one, along the radius towards the center. Second one, along the tangent to its position. Third one, along the axis of rotation. And fourth one, along the radius away from the center. So it is very clear. So the acceleration, okay, when the body is moving on the circumference of the circle, so this acceleration is always, angular acceleration is always along the axis of rotation. So that is why third option is correct option. Next you can check 27th one. Let a wire be suspended from the ceiling, that is rigid support, and stretched by a weight W attached at its free end. The longitudinal stress at any point of cross-sectional area capital A of the wire is. Here 4 options are given. Longitudinal stress they are saying some weight is attached at free end they are saying, so the weight is given W given. So what is the longitudinal stress they are asking? So we know that longitudinal stress formula is what? Longitudinal stress is equal to what? Force by area. So here force is nothing but here what? So how much? Here they given the weight, they given W, they given. So W by area A. So that is why which option is correct? W by A, first option is correct. First option is correct. The next one you can check 28th one. A full wave rectifier circuit consists of 2 PN junction diodes, a central tap transformer, capacitor, and a load resistance. Which of these components remove the AC ripple from the rectified output? 4 options are given: PN junction diodes, capacitor, load resistance, a central tap transformer. We know that we studied the working of full wave rectifier and half wave rectifier. So in that the PN junction diodes are compulsory, and load resistance also, and central tap transformer also compulsory. So we can remove capacitor, we can remove. So that is why the second option is correct option. Next 29th. An electric dipole is placed at an angle of 30 degrees with the electric field of intensity 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per coulomb. It experiences a torque equal to 4 Newton meter. Calculate the magnitude of the charge on the dipole if the dipole length is 2 centimeters. The torque acting on electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Here they given, so what angle they suspended? Theta 30 degrees, and electric field is how much? 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per coulomb. Torque, so that time, so what happened that time? So that is suspended in uniform electric field. Electric dipole is suspended in so uniform electric field. So that time, so what happened that time? So it is making an angle theta. So that time what happened that time? Torque acts on the dipole. So the torque and the dipole distance also given. 2a equal to how much? 2 centimeter given. 2 centimeter means we can write 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Okay, in SI system we converted. And the charge of the dipole, so they are asking. So what is the formula? Torque acts on electric dipole whenever we placed in uniform electric field. Formula is what? Tau equal to Pe sin theta. Tau equal to Pe sin theta is the formula. Here P is not given, dipole moment is not given. So dipole moment formula we know that 2a into q. Dipole moment formula is what? P 2a into q, E into sin theta as it is, E into sin theta is as it is. Substitute the values. 4 newtons torque is 4 newtons, and 2a also given 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. The q is not given, I am writing as it is. E is given how much? 2 into 10 to the power of 5 newton per coulomb, and sine 30 degrees, sine 30 degrees. Solve this one. Okay, so 2, okay, 2 2 are 4, here 4 gets cancelled. This 10 power of minus 2, okay, 10 power of minus 2, and here 10 power of 5 is there, so 1 is equal to here q into 10 power of 5 minus 2. How much? Bases are equal, power should be added, 10 power of 3. Sine 30 value is how much? 1 by 2. So that implies q equal to this 2 I am bringing this side. What happened that time? 1 by 2, in denominator 2 is there, I am bringing this side, it multiplies, and 10 power of 3 I am bringing this side. What happened that time? 10 power of minus 3. Charge units are what? Coulombs. Here 10 power of minus 3 coulombs, we can write millicoulomb, so that is why 2 millicoulomb we can write. Which option is correct? 2 millicoulombs. Here it is very clear, third option is correct answer. Next you can check the 30th question. A Carnot engine has an efficiency of 50%. Its source is at a temperature of 327 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the sink is. In this Carnot engine, here the source temperature is given, they are asking sink temperature. Source temperature is given, how much given? Source temperature T equal to T source, how much given? 327 degrees centigrade given. So here Carnot engine time, so we have to convert into the temperatures, we have to convert into kelvins. What to do? T source is equal to how much? 327 plus 273, we have to add to 273 degree Kelvin. So what happened that time? It converted into Kelvin. 327 plus 273, that is 600 Kelvin. 600 Kelvin. What they are asking? So the temperature of the sink is how much they are asking. Here Carnot engine efficiency formula. Carnot engine efficiency formula is what? Eta equal to 1 minus T sink by source, lower temperature by higher temperature. Carnot engine efficiency formula is what? 1 minus the sink temperature by source temperature. Here substitute the values, and efficiency also given 50% given efficiency value. 50% means we can write how much we can write? 50% means 50 by 100 we can write. E is equal to 1 minus T sink, we don't know, I am writing as it is, by the source. How much? Source is 600 Kelvin. Here 51 ja 52 ja, I am bringing this side, T sink by 600 is equal to 1 minus this 1 by 2 I am sending this side. What happened? It 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is how much? 1 by 2 only. Therefore T sink is equal to how much? The 600 I am sending this side, 600 by 2, that is 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 2 zeros, 300 Kelvin. But option given in degree centigrades. What to do? Here degree centigrade to Kelvin time, we have to add the 273 plus 273. Here degree Kelvin to degree centigrade we have to convert, minus 273 we have to do. Here minus 273 means how much? Minus 273 means 10 minus 3 7, okay, 9 minus 7 2, 27, okay. Therefore the small t equal to how much? 27 degrees centigrade. So this is the temperature of the sink is how much? 27 degree centigrade. Which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Next question you can check on screen. For Young's double slit experiment, two statements are given below. First one, if screen is moved away from the plane of slits, angular separation of the fringes remains constant. Statement 2, if the monochromatic source is replaced by another monochromatic source of larger wavelength, the angular separation of the fringes decreases. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answers from the options given. First option given, both the statements 1 and 2 are false. Second one, both the statements, okay, first one is true, second one is false. Third one, so first one is false, second one is true, and fourth one, both are true. In this Young's double slit experiments, we know that theta equal to, what is the formula, lambda by small d. Okay, lambda by d I am taking. So here the first statement, what they are saying, the angular displacement, if screen is changed, so it remains constant, they are saying. So correct only. Why? Because it does not depends on the separation, okay, screen distance. So that is why first statement is correct only. First statement is what? Correct only. We'll see second statement. Second statement, what they are saying, the second statement, so they given. So what they are saying here, the monochromatic light of wavelength is replaced by another higher wavelength. Monochromatic light of higher another wavelength. So that time what they are saying, angular displacement theta value decreases, they are saying. Actually here theta is directly proportional to what? Lambda. So theta, okay, lambda increasing time, the theta should be increased. But what they are saying, should decrease, they are saying in statement. So that is why second option is, okay, wrong option. Second one is wrong. First one is right. So that is why the statement first is true, statement 2 is false. Which option is correct? The second option is correct. Next question you can check. The work function of cesium, potassium and sodium are 2.14 electron volt, 2.30 electron volt and 2.75 electron volts respectively. If the incident electromagnetic radiation has an incident energy of 2.20 electron volt, which of these photosensitive surfaces may emit photoelectrons? This one is photoelectric effect case, this one. So what is photoelectric effect? When electromagnetic radiation of sufficient frequency incident on metal plates, what happen? Electrons can exit from the metal plate. Here the incident radiation is given. For example, this is one metal plate. Some incident radiation is incident on the metal plate. How much is incidenting? 2.20 electron volts energy is incident on the metal plate. So that time, for which element electrons should emit, they are asking. Here for three elements are given: cesium, potassium, sodium. Cesium work function is 2.14 electron volt and potassium is 2.30 and sodium is 2.75. Here the incident frequency, okay, and the work function, so less than the incident radiation. Work function value should be less than the incident radiation. Here incident radiation is 2.30. 2.20. In three options, which one is suitable? Less than 2.320 is what? So cesium having 2.14. For cesium purpose, okay, for cesium metal purpose, M is the electrons. So that is why cesium is the correct answer. Which option is correct? The fourth option is correct. Next, given below are two statements. Statement 1, photovoltaic devices can convert optical radiation into electricity. Second statement, Zener diode is designed to operate under reverse bias in breakdown region. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. First option, both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Second option, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Third one, statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Fourth option, statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, they are same. In photoelectric effect, the statement 1, the radiation is converted into electricity, they are saying. Yes, it is correct only. Light energy is converted into the electrical energy. Okay, in so photocells, the device we can use for conversion of light energy to electric energy. Statement 1 is correct only. Statement 2, so they are saying Zener diodes can operated in reverse bias condition in breakdown regions. Yes, it is also correct only. Zener diode always we should operate in reverse bias condition at sharp breakdown regions. So that is why the statement 1 also correct and statement 2 also correct. So that is why which option is correct? Here fourth option is correct. Statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. And next question you can check, if the galvanometer G does not show any deflection in the circuit, the value of R is given by. The circuit diagram also given. Here input voltage 10 volts, output voltage 2 volts given. The middle one resistor also given, and series resistance 400 ohms also given. Here diagram is given. In this diagram, what they are saying, so here one input battery is there 10 volts and output 2 volts is there. Here one series resistance 400 ohms also given, and here one galvanometer connected and one resistor also connected. What they are saying, galvanometer shows the zero deflection, they are saying. So it is showing galvanometer current is how much, they are saying zero deflection. Now whatever the current, okay, passing through the series resistor, that is 400 ohms, total that current only passes through the resistor R. Why? Because galvanometer current is zero, they are saying. So first we'll find the series current, we'll find. Okay, so from V equal to IR, I equal to what? V by R. I equal to V by R. Here I equal to series resistance is how much? 400. Here the potential difference how much? Input potential minus final potential, that is 10 minus 2 divided by how much? The series resistance is 400. So that is I equal to how much? 8 by 400. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. I equal to how much? Current is 1 by 50. What they are asking? Resistance R they are asking. Here resistance R equal to V by I. So Vi, so here potential is how much? The output potential. R equal to output potential is how much? 2 divided by current is how much? 1 by 50. This 50 in denominator, again in denominator we can send to numerator. R equal to 2 into 50, that equal to 100. Therefore the R value how much? 100 ohms. 100 ohm is the correct answer. Which option is correct here? The second option is correct. Next question you can check. A bullet is fired from a gun at the speed of 280 meter per second in the direction of 30 degrees above the horizontal. The maximum height attained by the bullet is, within the bracket, G value is given 9.8 meter per second square and sin 30 degrees value is also given 0.4. In this case what they are saying, whenever bullet firing time, so at an angle 30 degrees, with the 30 degrees it is moving with initial velocity how much given? 280 meter per second given. The initial velocity given U equal to 280 meter per second, and the theta also given 30 degrees given, and small g value they given in bracket, they given small g value how much given? 9.8 meter per second square also given. What they are asking? Maximum height attained by the bullet they are asking. Maximum height, this is completely projectile topic, this one projectile topic, this one. So what is the maximum height for projectile whenever certain angle with the horizontal projecting time? So what is the formula? H max formula is what? Projectile purpose U square sin square theta by 2g is the projectile formula. Substitute here H max is how much? U square 280 whole square sin square theta, sin square 30 degrees by 2 into g value how much given? 9.8. Substitute the value is 280. Okay, so 280, so 280 whole square is how much? 280 into 280 sin 30 value 1 by 2. Here whole square is there, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 into 9.8, 2 into 9.8. Solve this one. 2 1 ja, okay, here 2 1 ja 2, 4 ja 0, again 2 1 ja same 140, again 2 table 2 1 ja, okay, here 2 7 ja 14 and 0, here 2 4 ja 2 9 ja 18, here same 2 7 ja and 0, here with 7 table I am doing 7 7 ja, decimal is there, decimal I am taking 7 7 ja 49. So here 7 1 ja and 0, again 7 1 ja, here again 7 10 ja, so total how much? 10 into 10. Here decimal cancel in time, numerator also one more 10 we can take, total how much? 1000. The maximum height na 1000 meters. Which option is correct? The maximum height is 1000 meters. Second option is correct. Next question you can take. A satellite is orbiting just above the surface of the earth with period t. If small d is density of the earth and capital G is the universal gravitational constant, the quantity 3 pi by Zd represents. Four options are given. Which one is correct? They are asking. We know that when our satellite is orbiting, so the time period is directly proportional to the r power of 3 by 2. T equal to 2 pi by under root gm into r power of 3 by 2. You know that relation. Here the density they are saying d, small d. So the time density and this mass relation is what? Density equal to mass by volume. Mass equal to what? Density into volume. Here the satellite is in orbiting. So the volume what we can take? So 4 by 3 pi r cube we can take. 4 by 3 pi r cube we can take. So here substitute instead of mass d into 4 by 3 pi r cube you take. T equal to 2 pi by under root g into m. M what I am taking? D 4 by 3 pi r cube taking into r power of 3 by 2. Here t equal to 2 pi by here gd under root gd I am writing as it is, and here this 4 and pi also pi I am writing 1 pi I am cancelling here, 1 pi here cancel means what? The root will come here, for root will come here, pi purpose 1 pi under root, and this one cancel, and this 3 going to numerator. So what happened that time? So it become 3 pi, it become 3 pi, and this 4 and this outside 2 gets cancelled, and this r power of outside means what? 3 by 2, here also r power of 3 by 2 is there, gets cancelled. So total these two already cancelled. So total how much? T equal to under root 3 pi by gd. What they are asking? So the 3 pi by gd value they are asking. So squaring on both the sides, 3 pi by gd will come. So what is the answer? T square is the correct answer. Which option is correct? The first one is correct. Next one, for the following logic gates, the truth table is. The logic gate is given. So in the truth table they are asking. Here logic gate numerical circuit diagram given. So this type of logic gates we did in our classes very clearly, detailedly we discussed. Similar question also we discussed. So same question only came. So listen here how to solve this one. Here the one circuit is given, inputs, two inputs are given A, B, output Y is given. Input we can take 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, you can take inputs. They are asking for truth tables are given. Which truth table is correct they are asking? We'll see. Here this is A means if it is go what happened? A bar. Here B means whenever passing through the NOT gate it become B bar. Here afterwards this one passing through the NAND gate. NAND gate expression is what am I? A bar dot B bar whole bar here. So actually NAND gate expression is what? A dot B whole bar. But here A bar is there, B bar is there. A bar dot B bar in taking. Here first is 0 0. Okay. So this output is what? A bar dot B bar whole bar. For example, here 0 0 you are taking. What happened? 0 bar means 1. B bar. So 0 bar means 1. 1 dot 1 1. Whole bar is there. What you can take? 0 you can take. Next another one is 0 bar. Okay, second 0 and 1 I am taking. 0 bar means 1. 1 bar means 0. 1 dot 0 0 0 bar is what? 1. So similarly it is, we will get 1. Here last one 1 1, 1 bar is 0 and another 1 bar is 0, 0.0 but bar is there 1. Which option is correct? 0 1 1 1. In the truth table, which one they given? The first one only given. Okay, output 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, the first option is correct. Next question. The radius of innermost orbit of hydrogen atom is 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 11 meters. What is the radius of third allowed orbit of hydrogen atom is? Here the radius and nth orbit relation is what? In hydrogen atom, r is directly proportional to what? N square. Here the first orbit radius is given 5.3 into 10 to the power of, first orbit radius is given 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 11 meters they given. They are asking r3 value, third orbit radius, how much they are asking. R is directly proportional to n square. We know that the radius of the orbit is directly proportional to the number. So here orbit number, here r3 by r1 is equal to, we can take n3 by n1 whole square. Here r3 we don't know, r1 value is given, how much given? 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 11. 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 11 given is equal to, n3 means what? 3 third orbit. So n3 is what? 3 whole square. Here 3 square 9 divided by 1 square 1 only. Okay, here r3 is equal to 9 into 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Multiply this one, r3 is equal to 9 3 is 27, 2 9 5 is 45, 46, 47. Okay, one decimal is there, 47.7 into 10 to the power of minus 11. But the given options in angstroms they given. 1 angstrom equal to, we know that 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. We know that. That is why here 10 power of minus 10 I want to write. Minus 10 purpose, what to do? One more decimal I am decreasing. 4.77 into 10 to the power of minus 10 angstroms. 10 power of minus 10 meters. Here 10 power of minus 10 meter means what? Angstrom. Therefore r3 value is how much? 4.77 angstroms. Which option is correct? In this, third option is correct, 4.77 angstroms. Next question you can check. A wire carrying a current I along the positive x-axis has length L. It is kept in magnetic field B bar equal to 2a bar plus 3j bar minus 4k bar Tesla. The magnitude of the magnetic force acting on the wire is. Here, one conductor is placed in external magnetic field. The force acts on the conductor. Formula we know that the force acts on the conductor. F bar is equal to I into L bar cross B bar. We know that formula. Here L is given, so along the x-axis they are saying, so that is a L bar. I am taking Li cap I am taking. Next B. So B, the magnetic field value given 2a bar plus 3j bar plus minus 4k bar given. So first of all we need L bar cross B bar. So first we will solve L bar cross B bar, cross multiplication will solve. So we know that det method I bar, J bar, K bar. Det method we know that plus minus plus. Here L, first L bar cross B bar. L, here J bar, K bar not there, 0 0 I am taking. Next B bar purpose 2 3 minus 4 I am taking. Here I bar into so here cross multiplication 0, okay, and 0 0 minus 0, and minus j bar into so L into minus 4L, okay, minus 2 into 0 0 plus k bar is what? L into 3L minus 2 into 0 is 0 only. So therefore L bar cross B bar, how much we got? This is I component is 0 only. Here only minus 4L minus 0 is minus 4L, minus into minus plus 4L J bar and plus 3L K bar. We got L bar cross B bar. I am finding the magnitude I am finding. So 4L J bar plus 3L K bar. Here L I am taking common. Okay, next 4j bar plus 3k bar, 4j bar plus 3k bar. Here the magnitude I am finding, what happened that I'm under root 4 square plus 3 square. L into 4 square is 16 plus 9, that is L into root 25 means what? 5. So that is 5L. So we got L bar cross V bar value, we got how much we got? 5L we got. So therefore the force F bar is equal to, so magnitude they are asking na, force F equal to how much? 5Li. Which option is correct? 5Li. The second option is correct. Next question you can check. The net impedance of circuit as shown in the figure will be. Here one circuit diagram is given, so impedance they are asking. Here a circuit diagram is given, that is LCR circuit diagram is given. Inductor L, capacitance and resistance given are connected to the AC source. Here the frequency is how much? F is 50 Hz. Here what they are asking, impedance. Impedance is what? Z. Z is how much they are asking. So impedance formula we know that Z equal to under root R square minus XL minus XC whole square. Here first we will have to find the inductive reactance and capacitive reactance, XL value and XC value. How? Listen here, XL formula is what? Omega L. Here angular frequency not given, omega L not given. Omega formula is what? 2 pi F into L. 2 pi F into L. Substitute the values 2 pi. F value is how much? Frequency is what? 50. And L inductance is given in millihenry given. We have to convert to henries. SI unit we have to convert. 50 by pi. How much given? 50 by pi given into milli. Milli means what? 10 power of minus 3. 2 pi F L. 2 pi into F value 50 and L value 50 by pi. Milli given a 10 power of minus 3. Cancel here. Yes, cancel. Pi gets cancel. Here 2 zeros purpose. What happened? 2 zeros purpose. And 2 here decimals cancel, 10 power of minus 1 is there. Here 5 2 is 10, one more also cancel. Remaining is what? 5 Henry. 5 Henry. XL value how much we got? 5 Henry we got XL value. Like that only XC value find. XC is what? 1 by, okay, XC is what? 1 by omega C. 1 by omega. Omega value is how much? 2 pi F into C. Substitute the values 2 pi into F value is how much? 50 and C value how much? 10 power 3 by pi microfarad. Microfarad, right? 10 to the power of minus 6 microfarad, convert here 10 to the power of minus 6 farads. Here cancel, pi gets cancelled. Here 10 power of minus 6, 10 power of 3. How much? 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 power of minus 3 and 52 is 100. 100 into 10 power of minus 3 is how much? 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of only minus 1 is there here. 10 power of minus 1 sent to numerator. It become XC equal to what? 10 ohms. Here inductive reactance now ohms. Okay, capacitor reactance also ohms. Z they are asking. Impedance they are asking. Impedance formula is what? Under root R square plus XL minus XC or XC minus XL whole square. Substitute R square 10 square plus XL minus XC or XC minus XL 10 minus 5 whole square. 10 minus 5 whole square. Z equal to under root 10 square is 100 plus 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 square is what? 25 under root 125. So this one we can write 25 5 means 5 root 5 we can write. So impedance units are what? Ohms. So 5 root 5 ohms. Which option is correct? The second option is correct. Next question you can check. 10 resistors. Each of resistors are connected in series to a battery of EMF E. and the negligible resistance, internal resistance. Then those are connected in parallel to the same battery. The current in increased n times the value of n is. Here 10 resistors are given here. First they are connected in series. All are identical resistors. So that time what happened? Resistors all are identical. Formula is what? NR. R equal to NR. So that equal to how much? 10R. So the time current is how much? P equal to IR. I equal to in series time current how much? I equal to they are connected to a battery of EMF. E they given. E by R. R means what? 10R. E by 10R. This is the series current. So whenever they are connected in parallel, n resistors, identical resistors are connected in parallel. What is the formula? R by N is the formula. R by N is formula. So that is R by 10. So the time current is how much in parallel? E by R formula. So what is E by 10 by R we can take. R by 10 we can take. So what happened that time? 10E by R. 10E by R we got. Here what they are asking, the how many times increases series to parallel connecting time. Okay, how many times n value increases they are saying. The parallel current to series current is equal to how much parallel current, how much we taken 10E by R by series current how much? E by 10R. Or R cancel, E cancel, this 10 goes to numerator 100. So therefore IP is equal to parallel current equal to how much? 100 times of series current. So that is why which option is correct? N value is how much? 100. N value 100. Which option is correct here? This first option only correct answer. Next question you can take. Here one graph is given. The xt graph of a particle performing simple harmonic motion as shown in the figure. The acceleration of the particle at t equal to 2 seconds is. One diagram is given. Using diagram we have to find out. In this what they are saying, at t equal to 2 seconds. So the acceleration they are asking. Here at t equal to 2 seconds. So check here the displacement is how much? X equal to how much? 1 meter. 1 meter displacement. So acceleration they are asking. So from acceleration formula is what? In simple harmonic motion minus omega square x. Here omega value is what? Omega is not given. 2 pi by t whole square into x. Substitute the values a equal to minus 2 pi by t. So the total time period is how much? 8 seconds. 8 whole square into x value. How much? 1 meter. At 1 meter the asking acceleration. Here 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Therefore a equal to minus 5 square by 4 square is what? 16. In a equal to minus 5 square by 16. Acceleration units are what? Meter per second square. Which option is correct? It is very clear. Third option is correct answer. Next question you can check. In the figure shown here, what is the equivalent focal length of the combination of lenses? Assume that all layers are thin. Diagram is given. In this one lens is given convex lens and other two sides two plain concave lenses are given. The total one concave lens. Here the refractive indices are also given. So for convex lens n1 equal to 1.5. For convex lens f equal to r by 2 into mu minus 1 or n minus 1. Refractive index minus 1. Here f equal to r by r is given 20 centimeters by 2 into how much given? N value? N1 value is 1.5 minus 1. Here 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja, cancel. 10 by 1.5 minus 1 is how much? 0.5. That is 20 centimeters. Okay. Like that only for concave lens. What is the formula? F equal to minus r by, you say f2 minus r by 2 into n2 minus 1. Substitute the values. F2 equal to r value 20 centimeters by 2 into n2 1.6 minus 1. Here 2 1 2 10 cancel. Okay, minus 10 by 1.6 minus 1 is how much? 0.4. Here decimal cancel time, numerator 0 we can take. 100 by 4 we can take 4 1 ja 4 4 25 ja 100, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 5 ja 20, 25 ja 25 ja. F2 equal to how much? Minus 25 centimeters. A combination they are asking here. This F2 we got minus 25 centimeter. Therefore, the combination of the focal length they are asking. What is the formula? Therefore, 1 by F is equal to, this one say F1. 1 by F equal to what? 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Substitute the values. 1 by F equal to 1 by F1. How much? 20. And F2 value 1 by 25. LCM 25 minus, okay, what I am taking? Second option is correct answer. Next question, calculate the maximum acceleration of a moving car, also that body lying on the floor of the car remains stationary. The coefficient of static friction between the body and the floor is, here static friction on the vehicle is, the weight of the body acts vertically downward, that is mg, and normal reaction acts vertically upward, that is n. When the body at rest, so the static frictional force acts on the body, Fs. Fs equal to, you know that, mu s into n. But here the body is at rest. Body is at rest. That is why Fs is equal to mu s into and n is what? Mg. F equal to ma we taken, gets cancelled. A equal to mu s into g. Mu s a equal to mu s into g. Mu s value is given, how much given? 0.15 into g value also given 10. Multiply, you will get 1.5. 1 decimal get cancelled. A equal to 1.5 meter per second square is the answer. So which option is correct? Second option is correct answer. Next question you can check on the screen. Lenses are of same focal length f, but one is convex and other one is concave. When they are placed in contact with each other, the equivalent focal length of the combination will be. The four options are given. Which one is correct? We have to say. Here two lenses are given, one is convex, another one is concave. Therefore, combination 1 by f equal to 1 by f for convex lens plus 1 by minus f for concave lens. So therefore, 1 by f equal to 1 by f, 1 by minus 1 by f gets cancelled, 0. The reciprocal of 0, reciprocal of 1 by f is f, and the reciprocal of 0 is what? Infinity. Which option is correct? The third option is correct. Next problem. A horizontal bridge is built across a river. A student standing on the bridge throws a small ball vertically upward with a velocity 4 meters per second. The ball strikes the water surface after 4 seconds. The height of the bridge above water surface is, within the bracket, g value is given, that is 10 meters per second. In this, a student thrown a stone. Okay, so from, he stood on a bridge, so a stone thrown, so after 4 seconds it reached to the surface of the water. With what velocity? With 4 meter per second. U equal to 4 meter per second he thrown. So the time they are asking what? Total height of the bridge. This height of the bridge is how much they are asking. Height of the bridge is how much they are asking. Here first we will find height, capital H I am taking. Here first maximum height, how much height is reached, we will find. So what is the formula? U square by 2g. So thrown vertically upward, maximum height formula is what? U square by 2g. Substitute the values. U value is how much? The 4 meter per second given. Okay, and g value within bracket 10 also given. 4 square 16 by 2 into 10. So 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. H equal to 0.8. H equal to 0.8 meters. H value we got 0.8 meters. Okay, like that only. Time of ascent to reach the maximum height, how much time it will take? T equal to, what is the formula? T1 I am taking, U by G I am taking. U is how much? The 4 by G is how much? 10. So that is 0.4 seconds to reach the maximum height. Now, so from here, from maximum height to the body is falling like freely falling body. Freely falling body, the time formula is what? T equal to under root 2h by g. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. What happens? T square is equal to 2h by g. We need to find the h value. H equal to what? 2 by gt square. H equal to gt square by, h equal to what? Gt square by 2. Substitute 10 into t. So how much time they given? T value, total t is how much given here? T square value we have to take here. How much t they given? 4 seconds. Here we have to total time they given. So our the time of ascent value, how much we got? 0.4. So t equal to what happened? The 4 seconds minus 0.4, that equal to 0.3.6 seconds. So from top to the surface of the water purpose, how much time it will take? 3.6. Why? Because we have to remove this time period. So what happened the time? 3.6 whole square, that is 3.6 into 3.6 by 2. Here 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 60. H equal to what? So here solve this one. 1.8, 18 6 ja. Okay, and solve this one, you'll get 64.8, you'll get meters. So we need to calculate the only bridge height we have to calculate. So from bridge height means from total height we got 64.8 meters. From that we have to remove the bridge height purpose. The total height, how much we got? 3.64.8 minus 64.8 minus, so this height how much here? This height is how much? 0.8. Total how much? Bridge height is 64 meters. Bridge height is how much? 64 meters. Which option is correct? Second option is correct option. Next one, the resistance of platinum wire at 0 degree centigrade is 2 ohms and 6.8 ohms at 80 degrees centigrade. The temperature coefficient of resistance of the wire is. In this, at 0 degrees centigrade means here T1 value is given. Okay, so the time R1 value also given. Here T2 value at 80 degrees centigrade, the resistance R2 given 6.8 ohms. The alpha value, temperature coefficient they are asking. Alpha formula we know that. What is the formula? R2 minus R1, change in resistance by original resistance into temperature difference T2 minus T1. Substitute the values. 6.8 minus 2 divided by 2 into 80 minus 0, that is 80 only. Here alpha equal to 6.8 minus 2, that is 4.8 divided by 2 into 80. Here 8 1 ja, okay, and 0. Here 8 6 of 48 decimal as it is taken. 2 1 ja to 0.3 ja. 0.3 into this denominator 10 center numerator 10 power of minus 1, that equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 per degree centigrade. Which option is correct? The second option is correct. Next question you can take. An electric dipole is placed as shown in the figure. The electric potential in 10 power of 2 volts at point P due to the dipole is within the bracket 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught taken as K. In this potential due to plus Q charge. Here distance is what here? The total from center to at P.5 centimeter. So the 3 centimeters I am removing, what happened? 2 centimeters. So here V net, the potential net equal to, we can take plus Q. Why? Because the positive charge is nearer to the P point. Plus Q minus V minus Q I am taking. Here potential formula is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value they given K only. Q by R. Here R means R1 I am taking, and here KQ by R2 I am taking. Here R1 is how much? 2 centimeters. R2 from negative charge to point to P. R2 value how much? Here 3 centimeters plus 5 centimeter, total 8 centimeters R2 value. Substitute here K. So we don't know, we are keeping like that only. K, Q also keeping like that only. R1 they given 2 centimeters. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and KQ by R2 is how much? 8 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Here KQ by 10 power of minus 2 I am taking common. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. Here KQ into 10 to the power of 2, 10 power of minus 2 I am sending to numerator, 10 power of plus 2. So 1 by 8, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. So 8 minus 2 divided by 2 into 8, that equal to KQ into 10 to the power of 2, 6 by 8 minus 2 6 divided by 2 into 8. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 by 8. Okay, so V net is equal to how much? 3 by 8 KQ. They are asking potential in terms of 10 power of 2 volts. They are asking 10 power of 2 volts they are asking. So that is why, what is the answer? 3 by 8 KQ. 3 by 8 KQ. Which option is correct? The fourth option is correct. Next question you can check, last one. A bullet from a gun is fired on rectangular wooden block with velocity u. When bullet travels 24 centimeters through the block along its length horizontally, velocity of bullet becomes u by 3. Then it further penetrates into the block in the same direction before coming to rest exactly at the other end of the block. The total length of the block is. So here a bullet is penetrating through wooden rectangular blocks. So after traveling 24 centimeters, the speed is reduced to u by 3. 1 by 3 is reduced. Loss in kinetic energy. The initial and minus final we can take half mv square minus half mv by 3 whole square, half mu square minus half u by 3 whole square taking. So here half mu square taking common. 1 minus 1 by 3 square is what? 1 by 9. Here that equal to, okay, so 1 minus 1 by 9 is what? 8 by 9. 8 by 9 of mu square. Here the final velocity is what? Final velocity of mv square means what? U by 3 whole square, that is 1 by 9 of mu square. Here fraction. So for the displacement, final velocity displacement, we don't know x centimeters I am taking. Here fraction purpose, what we can take? Final value 1 by 9 value by half mv square divided by the loss in kinetic energy 1 by 8 by 9 half mu square taking is equal to, here how much? We don't know x. Here how much? Here 24 centimeter loss in kinetic energy time. Half mv square 9 gets cancelled. Here what happened? X equal to 8 1 ja 8 3 ja, therefore x equal to how much? 3 centimeters. Total traveling displacement they are asking, total how much? 24 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. So to come to rest, how much time, how much displacement? 24 plus 3, 27 centimeters it will take. So therefore which option is correct? The fourth option is correct. Fourth option is correct. Yes, these are the 2023 UG NEET physics solutions. I hope all are understood. So for the new videos purpose, please subscribe the channel and I'll give the more information about the NEET topics. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Ramana Sir Physics. Thank you.